Hello, welcome back to another Poolside Chat presented by InyoPools.com. I'm Rob.
And I am Matthew, and we are Inyo's Angels. The question goes as such. What's the relationship between pH and chlorine in a swimming pool? Rob?
All right, I'll take it from here.
I'll just step to the side.
The relationship between pH and chlorine. Okay, the pH really correlates to the effectiveness of the chlorine level. If you look at a chart of pH in relation to the chlorine effectiveness, at the top, 6.0 pH level is going to give you about 90% chlorine effectiveness rate. But you don't want to swim in a pool that's got a pH of 6.0. It's very acidic. It can bother your eyes and skin. It can etch pool walls. It can damage the equipment. And on the other side, the flip side, the high pH, your chlorine isn't effective. But high pH can also lead to cloudy water. It can also bother your eyes. It can cause scale. So the sweet spot for pH would be, somewhere between 7.2 and 7.6. If you've got low pH, you can add sodium carbonate, soda ash. And if you've got high pH, you can add muriatic acid to lower it into the proper range. So again, it's very important to keep an eye on the pH if you want to have a good chlorine level. So that would be the relationship, I guess.
I talk now?
Yeah, now it's your turn, sir.
All right, bring out the mat for the dismount, I guess. If you have any questions about chlorine or pH, please feel free to leave questions down below. And for all your swimming pool needs, please visit us over at InyoPools.com. And of course, thank you for joining Rob and me. Bye.